Can you still sue your job for discrimination if you haven't been terminated? Yes, you can still sue, but a lot of attorneys look for you to be terminated before taking on your case. Here's why. Hi, I'm James Hux. I'm an employment law attorney, and I file a lot of EEOC charges against bad companies. The reason why a lot of attorneys will look for you to be terminated before taking on an employment case is because they're looking for what's called an adverse employment action. Most of the time, an adverse employment action is going to mean that you were terminated from your job because of discrimination. But you can also have an adverse employment action if you're subjected to things like a demotion or a pay cut because of the discrimination that you're subjected to. If you're talking to someone who doesn't do as much employment law, they may not realize that a termination is not the only way to have an adverse employment action. But if you're talking to a lot of other employment attorneys and they're all telling you that there's not enough there for a claim, it may be time to evaluate and see whether or not you want to move forward on your own. If you decide that you do want to handle your discrimination case on your own, make sure you check out my EEOC Compass program that's linked in my bio, where you'll learn different tips and tricks for processing the EEOC claim and also learn all about the terminology and things that you need to know to make the best result of your claim. Remember to like and follow for more content like this, and if your boss sucks, call Hux.